Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice bucket guide in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/16 and a 1/4" nut drivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice bucket guide. This is the right side ice bucket guide. It's mounted at the top right of the freezer cabinet. The guide secures the ice bucket, allowing for smooth gliding in and out. The main reason to replace the ice bucket guide is if it's broken, causing the ice bucket to jam. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Our next move is to take out this ice bucket. I'm going to lift up the front end and slide it out. Now I'm going to place this ice bucket on the table or on the counter, but before I'll recommend you to empty it out. Next smart thing to do is to turn the ice maker off. We're going to move this lever to the off position. Next, I'm going to remove this panel. There's a auger motor behind, and this is a solenoid. So only one 5/16" screw. I'm using the 5/16" nut driver. I'm going to remove it. To remove this assembly, we need to lift up the left side, and then we can pull it out. To the left, release the right side, and we can lower it down on the shelf. So this is our right side ice bucket guide, and it's held in place by 3/4" screws. We can see two of them right there and one at the back. So we're going to start with taking the front one out. The 1/4" nut driver, we're going to take the screws out. Next, I'm going to push this guide down so we'll have a little easier access to this rear screw at the back, right there. And now we can remove it. This is the old ice bucket guide next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're now going to install this guide into the fridge. I'm going to bring this screw. As you noticed, I'm using the magnet 1/4" nut driver. So place it in, and we're going to match this into the hole. All right, so I'm going to put this screw in, and I'm not going to tighten it. It's still going to be loose. I'm going to bring up this guide, and I'm going to match the holes here, and also just start it. And the third one goes in, and now we can tighten all three of them. Next, I'm going to install this auger motor assembly and lift it up. I'm going to put in the right side, and I'm going to slide it in all the way. And I'm going to lift up the left side. And hang it here. Then we're going to match the holes right there. Next, I'm going to secure this panel with the 5/16" screw. Using the 5/16" nut driver, we're going to install it. All right, before going any further, we need to turn the ice maker back on. So I'm going to slide the lever to the on position. And now we're going to place the ice bucket back in. We got to slide it onto these guides. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.